Hey guys, welcome back to Rudder Innovations, where today we're going to be changing the gear oil in the lower unit of this outboard engine. Here we go. When you're changing your gear oil, you have two plugs. You have your vent plug and you have your drain plug down here. So this is on there really tight. This engine has not been serviced in 18 years. So what I'm gonna use is this impact screwdriver, where you will put that on there and you will hammer the backside of it when you're turning it in the direction you want it to turn. See if we can break this loose for the drain and the vent plug. There we go, there's one. All right, there's two. Now we can lower our motor to where our drain plug is at the lowest point. Get your drain pan ready, and then you can remove the drain plug. Once you got that bottom one off, you'll also want to remove the top plug, which will release the suction on there and allow it to flow freely. After it's finished draining, you'll want to lower it to where this fill plug or vent plug is at the highest point. On the bottom of your drain plug, if it's magnetic, you'll see a bunch of sludge and metal shavings. You want to wipe all this stuff off before you reinsert it. You also want to remove the old washer and you replace it with a new washer. Next, you're going to take the vent plug, make sure you get this old washer off of it, and then we'll put the new washer on. This is the new gasket number for our vent plug. So I'm going to take it and slip it on, and this one is black as opposed to the original red. So we'll get that on there. We're gonna do the same thing for our drain plug. There's that magnetic end that we wiped off. We're gonna go ahead and slip this gasket over as well. All right, here's a pump that we're gonna be using to pump the gear oil up into our lower unit. And here's our SAE 90 gear oil, which is what is recommended for the Yamaha 90. So we're gonna go ahead and insert this in, and it takes about 20 ounces. We'll show you how to do it. We'll screw in our adapter for our Yamaha 90 at the bottom. Make sure it's nice and tight. And we'll screw in the pump, and you will have to turn the pump when you do this so it doesn't get kinked. Next, we're going to take our gear oil. We're going to slide this into it, and then we'll start to fill by pumping, fill in our gear oil until it start to see it come out of the top. All right, now we can see the gear oil coming out of the vent hole here. So we'll go ahead and put our vent plug back in, which will hold a suction or a vacuum on it. And that'll allow us to remove the bottom and put our drain plug back in. Always start in reverse, make sure it's threaded right, and then screw it in tight. You can wipe up all that residual gear oil. I am gonna use my impact screwdriver just to get it tight. Don't want water getting in there. Now that our vent hole's plugged, we can go ahead and remove this. It should hold a vacuum on there without leaking stuff all over the place. Get our plug. All right, and you're done. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you like this video, like it. If you're watching on Medium, you can subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace and God bless.